This voice alert alarm is developed to make your job easier and safer, and to help reduce your workload. Thanks to the voice feature of this alarm, you can monitor patients who may rise from their chair or bed, or who may leave their room, and instruct them in a calm, familiar voice. No caregiver can be at every place at once, but a loud alarm can be upsetting or disorienting for a patient, especially someone with hyperesthesia. A reassuring familiar voice,
"Wait a moment. Please sit back down,"
is often the prompt someone needs to stay calm and follow instructions. This alarm allows you to record a warning message that,
"Wait a moment. Please sit back down,"
when triggered, will play to instruct the patient before a sounding alarm. On the front there is a light that will flash when the alarm is triggered, a high-low volume switch, a low battery indicator that will flash when battery level is low, a magnetic key sensor recess. On one side of the alarm are two connecting jacks, a sensor jack for connecting a sensor device like a pressure sensor pad, and a nurse call jack for use with the nurse call station. There are reset buttons on both sides of the alarm. On the back of the alarm, there is a storage compartment below the mounting clip that can be used to store the magnetic pull cord when not in use. To set up the alarm, loosen the screw and slide off the battery door. Insert 4 AA batteries, observing the polarity markings. To record a voice message, place the magnetic key in the magnetic key sensor recess. Set the alarm mode switch to voice and the alarm device selector to A for magnetic pull cord. Now pull the magnetic key from the compartment and the record LED will blink. Press and hold the push to record button to record. The record LED will light up during recording. Now record your message using a normal speaking voice. For the best result, hold the unit 8 to 10 inches from your mouth. The maximum record time is 20 seconds.
"Wait a moment. Please sit back down."
Release the record button at the end of recording. Replace and remove the magnetic key
"Wait a moment. Please sit back down."
to play back your message. Next, use the alarm mode switch to select between silent, voice, or tone. Choose voice, and the recorded message will play repeatedly for 20 seconds, followed by the alarm sounding. Choose tone to sound alarm tone only. Please note, silent mode is for use only with the alarm connected to a compatible nurse call system via the nurse call jack, as the alarm will only sound at the nurse call station. Use the alarm tone switch to select between the 4 different tone options. On the front of the alarm, you can adjust the high or low volume setting at any time. To complete the setup, use the alarm device switch to select either A. Magnetic pull cord, B. Chair or bed sensor mat that will alarm when pressure is removed from the mat, or C. For floor sensor mat that will alarm when pressure is applied on the mat. Replace the battery door and tighten the screw, and you are ready to go. The alarm can be mounted on a wheelchair using the mounting clip at the back of the alarm, or on a wall using the mounting bracket. Slide the alarm into the bracket until it locks into place. To remove the alarm, simply press on the release level and pull out the alarm. If using the alarm with a compatible nurse call system, connect the alarm to the nurse call system with a nurse call cable. The nurse call cable is an optional accessory and must be ordered separately. When using magnetic pull cord, the alarm will sound when the magnetic key is pulled off from the sensor recess.
"Wait a moment. Please sit back down."
The specially designed locking clip will provide added security, while the cleanable cord makes cleaning easy and helps to prevent the spread of germs. Attach the clip to the patient's clothing. Ensure the patient cannot become entangled in or easily remove the cord. Adjust the pull cord to desired length and tidy any excess. The alarm will reset automatically into monitor mode when the magnetic key is replaced in the sensor recess. Press the reset buttons at both sides of alarm will also stop the alarm sound and enter standby mode. When using with a chair or bed sensor mat, the alarm will sound when the patient rises,
Wait a moment. Please sit back down.
releasing pressure from the sensor mat. For best result, bed sensor mat should be placed under the patient's shoulder so that when the patient sits up or moves significantly, the alarm will sound.
Dad, please, lay back down. I'll be there right the way.
The alarm will reset automatically into monitor mode when the patient is repositioned on the sensor mat. Press the reset buttons at both sides of alarm will also stop the alarm sound and enter standby mode. When used with a sensor mat as floor mat, the alarm will sound
Mom, please come back and wait for us. I'll go with you.
when pressure is applied
Mom,
to the sensor
please
mat.
come back and wait
The
for us.
alarm will continue sounding
with
once
you.
triggered until reset.
Mom, please come back and wait for us. I'll go with you.
Press both reset buttons located on each side of the alarm to stop alarm sound and reset the alarm. Sensor mat is an optional accessory and must be ordered separately. There are different sensor mats to suit different applications. For the patient's safety, the alarm cannot be turned off, ensuring they are monitored at all times. Inserting the batteries will give the alarm a power source and turn it on. To extend battery life, remove batteries when not in use. Exhausted batteries could leak and damage the alarm. More details on our range of alarms and the reassurance they can offer is available on our website and in our demonstration videos.